In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up your check preferences, create a check, print it right away or later, and make sure everything lines up perfectly on your check stock. First, let's set up your check style so QuickBooks prints in the format that matches your paper. After you sign in, click the gear icon in the top right and open Account and Settings. Go to the Expenses tab, then scroll to the Checks section. Here, choose the style that matches your check stock. Standard is the common single check layout, voucher includes the check plus 2 stubs for record keeping, and wallet is the smaller personal style format. Pick the one that matches what you've purchased, then click Save and Done. Getting this right up front avoids wasted paper and misprints. Now, let's create a check. Click the plus new button and under vendors, choose check. Fill in the payee, select the bank account you're drawing from, and set the payment date. If you plan to print this check, leave the check number field blank so QuickBooks can assign the number during the print run. Enter your category or expense details so the transaction posts to the correct accounts. When everything looks good, choose save and print if you're ready to go now, or save and close if you'll batch print later. A quick tip, double check the payee spelling and the amount before you save to prevent voids and reprints. If you're printing immediately, click Print Check. Load your blank check stock into the printer, following your printer's recommended orientation. Choose Preview and Print to see how the check will look. Confirm the alignment on screen, then click Print. For best results, make sure your printer is set to actual size at 100% scale and not set to shrink or fit to page. If you're printing later, open the plus new menu and select Print Checks. Choose the correct bank account. Select the checks you want to print from the list and click Print. This is great for batching multiple payments in one run. Alignment is very important. Start by printing a sample on plain paper, not your check stock. Hold that sample behind a real check and hold both up to the light to see if the payee name, date, amount, and miser line areas align correctly. If anything is off, use the alignment settings to nudge the print up, down, left, or right. Test again on plain paper until it's dialed in, then save your alignment so it sticks for future prints. Remember, different printers and paper brands can shift slightly, so recheck alignment whenever something changes. That's it. Set your style, create the check, print now or later, and lock in the alignment for smooth, accurate results every time.